does turn around, it's gonna be the happiest day of our lives.
What? What? What's going on back there?
Oh, come on, girls.
Great.
Oh.
I keep on falling Sometimes I love you, sometimes you make me blue. Sometimes I feel good, at times I feel used. Loving you, darling, makes me so confused. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone the way that I love you. I never felt this way. How do you give me so much pleasure, cause me so much pain? I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone the way that I love you. Oh, baby.
Okay. Is this for real? Is this really happening right now? This is a dream come true for most men. What's y'all's names?
The Morgan twins.
Wow. I hit my button before I even knew there was a duo happening up there. There was just some really cool runs and God, just a great singing. And then to
Thank
turn
you.
around and see y'all like a damn double mint commercial. Congratulations for making it onto The Voice.
Thank
okay?
you. Thank you.
You know, and congratulations on being able to get all of us to hit our button. Do you guys enjoy singing R&B music?
Yes. We do. Yeah.
I know a thing or two about that, you know. You know, I haven't won The Voice. She hasn't either, but, you know, these guys are gonna say, you know, you should come with us because we have the experience and we've won. Well, if you come with me, it'll be a journey for the first time and we'll win together.
Thank you.
This is just the most surreal thing I've ever seen. Because these guys turned around and then kind of looked at me like, you should turn around. When I was listening to your unison notes together, I was like, that's like DNA.
Yeah, it sounded like one voice with a chorus effect. That's why I asked you, are we a
Greater than
duo?
that, yo, pitch perfect on your high note. I mean,
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I mean, there's so many amazing things going on with it. Major unique points on the whole thing here.
Thank you.
Okay, let's face it. Any of these three guys would be great, but you should really make sure that you're gonna pick the coach that's gonna be depositing the most faith in you, because faith is the engine. And I have that faith in your talent, not because you're twins only. You have amazing voices. I'm convinced about the fact that you are gonna make it big, and I would like to be a part of that process.
Thank you.
I'd like to talk to you about a guy who understands what it's like to have family in this business, because my wife is also a recording artist. and that's something that you have to be very protective of. And I mean, look at you two up there holding hands. It's almost like you're sisters.
Blake basically just said, I have a wife and you're sisters, therefore we're alike.
Well.
You know what the right thing to do here is.
It was time to make a decision. You get to pick your coach.
I want to do this too.
I'm gonna show you the power.
Dang it.
Watch. I got it.
Okay. The coach we are going to pick is Blake.
Congratulations, girls.
This is awesome. This is so awesome.
Yo, your wife's gonna kill you, man.
I know.